Hello, my name is Mark Gleason. I'm a professor at Iowa State University in plant pathology. I'm also the leader of a two-state, 3-year project that is looking at the application of new spray technology along with IPM techniques in apples. The title of the project is Combining New Spray Technology with Apple IPM for Sustaining Apple Production. The two states involved in this project are Iowa and Ohio. The intelligent sprayer is probably the biggest advance in air blast sprayer technology in the last 60 years, essentially, since we've had air blast sprayers. It's fundamentally different from a standard sprayer, even though it looks a lot like a regular air blast. The intelligent sprayer uses laser beams and the reflections from those laser beams to tell the sprayer where trees are located and how big they are and how dense the foliage is. On the other hand, a standard air blast sprayer is essentially a blind tool. It doesn't look out and see the row, it doesn't see the tree, it's blind to all of that. In the intelligent sprayer, the reflected laser beams tell the nozzles of the sprayer when to turn on and when to turn off. The result of that precision technology is that less spray is put on, the volume of spray per acre is less, and the spray drift is much less, as much as 50 to 60% less than what you'll have with a standard air blast sprayer. The other good part about this technology is that the coverage still seems to be very good, even though we're using less volume and we have a lot less drift. It's a real advantage to cut down drift, particularly if you have workers nearby or neighbors nearby, to reduce the amount of pesticide drift. Also, the lower spray volume for the intelligent sprayer means that you won't have to fill up the tank as often, the spray tank as often, because it uses so much less volume, and the cost of pesticide application is going to be less, because essentially you're wasting less pesticide. You're not drifting it, you're applying it where you want it. The intelligent sprayer came out of a USDA spray laboratory at Wooster, Ohio, and that project to develop that sprayer was led by one of the principals in our current project. His name is Heping Ju. He led a team that developed this. They've tested the sprayer in various kinds of tree orchards, peach, apple. They've also tested it in grapes, pecans, nursery trees, and it's shown good pest control and also a real significant reduction in spray volume. Another plus for the intelligent sprayer is that it's commercially available now. There's a company in Indianapolis called Smart Guided Systems that is in the business now of retrofitting conventional air blast sprayers for this intelligent spray technology. So you can bring your air blast sprayer to them, and for their fee they will convert it essentially into an intelligent sprayer. Alright, so the intelligent sprayer has already had a fair number of field trials to show that it saves a lot of spray and it reduces drift dramatically. The real question for us here in this Apple project is, how well does the intelligent sprayer, this laser guided system, fit into Apple integrated pest management? So we're combining, in our experiments, we're combining the intelligent sprayer, which reduces spray volume, with Apple IPM. Now, you probably are aware that many of the Apple IPM programs, such as warning systems for summer diseases or fire blight or codling moth. Those systems essentially use data on weather in the orchard. So you're monitoring weather in the orchard and deciding when to spray the most efficiently. So those Apple IPM systems are coming at spray reduction from a different angle than the intelligent sprayer. Those warning systems can potentially save you spray trips. They can remove sprays in your annual spray program. Whereas the intelligent sprayer doesn't do that. Instead, it saves volume, a lot of volume, every time you go out and spray. So the intelligent sprayer is making savings on the volume side, and the IPM systems are making savings on reducing the number of pesticide sprays per season. We're doing field experiments at university farms, like here at the Iowa State University Horticultural Research Station, and also in Ohio at their research farm at Ohio State, looking at the full range of insect pests and diseases across the entire growing season. We want to make sure that this technology with the IPM systems will give us really good control over that whole period. And we're going to be measuring the amount of savings that we get. The 2020 growing season posed some real challenges for us. Not only the coronavirus pandemic, which affected both states, but here at the Iowa State Research Farm, we had 100-mile-an-hour derecho winds in August that laid over some of our trees and likewise compromised some of our fruit. But nevertheless, we persisted in both states. We've gotten some good data, and we're going to be harvesting and then assembling that data and sharing it with you over the next few months. We have an economic analysis planned to determine when the payback would occur for an intelligent sprayer. So let's say that you buy a retrofit of an air blast sprayer to an intelligent sprayer technology. When will that investment be repaid by the savings that you get from using that intelligent technology? Likewise, we'll be looking at the additional benefits that you can get from combining the intelligent spray technology with IPM systems for specific pests and diseases. Our project has a range of outreach strategies. We have the full spectrum of things that you might expect. We've got the traditional methods such as field days, but we've also got the electronic systems through a website. We've got blogs and videos and a variety of webinars, a variety of different electronic outreach techniques, and by the end of the project we'd like to develop a handbook or workbook that will help growers use this technology, the intelligent spray technology, along with IPM. Thank you for watching. I hope that you'll continue to follow progress in the project through the website and also through the various outreach products that may reach you. If you have any questions or suggestions for the project, please contact me. Thank you.